In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an affiliate program in Shopify, perfect for the year 2025. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to expand their business's reach by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, a system where you reward individuals for driving traffic or sales to your store. Let's dive right in and make this an integral part of your e-commerce strategy to boost your sales. First, head over to your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. You'll want to find and click on Apps. This is where all the magic happens because Shopify's App Store is packed with tools to enhance your e-commerce capabilities. Utilize the search bar at the top of the page to look for an app called GoFPro. This app is a highly recommended choice for setting up affiliate programs. It's known for being user-friendly while still providing the powerful features you need to create and manage your affiliate partnerships effectively. Once you've located GoFPro in the search results, go ahead and click on it to view more details. This is where you can find out everything you need to know about the app, from reviews to feature lists. So take a moment to explore if you're curious. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Install button. This is the beginning of integrating GoFPro into your Shopify store. After you've clicked Install, Shopify will prompt you to confirm this installation. You might see a secondary prompt to install it again, just to ensure everything is authorized properly. This step might seem redundant, but believe me, it's important to ensure GoFPro has the proper permissions it needs to function seamlessly within your store, so go ahead and confirm the installation. Once everything is installed, you're ready to set things up and start reaping the benefits of affiliate marketing. On the app page, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click on it to initiate the setup process. This is where you'll begin tailoring the affiliate program to fit your store's unique brand and goals. The Get Started button will guide you through the necessary configurations, from setting up your commission rates to customizing the affiliate portal that your partners will use. Affiliate marketing can open up new avenues for sales and increase your brand recognition, tapping into networks of loyal customers who are eager to help promote your products. By following these steps, not only have you integrated a powerful marketing tool, but you've also equipped your store with a sustainable strategy for growth. I'm excited for you to see how this step enhances your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new affiliate program.